All right, so let's unbox this. This is an OutIn Nano portable Espresso electronic machine. So I'm actually kind of excited to see this because it's actually really portable. It's battery powered. You don't need an outlet to plug it in. So let's see how well that's going to work. We are just being thoughtful. All right. Look at their packaging. Have an Outland day. All right. Here's the manual. All right, pretty thick manual, so it looks like it's pretty detailed, so that's a good thing. Different languages. All right, here it is. Good looking. All right, so here's the unit itself. It's not too big at all. It's kind of like a thermal canister shape. So that's really nice. It's not very big at all. And if it works well, that'll be fantastic. USB port. Okay, looks like the coffee grind strainer and a measuring cup. And of course, I have a million of these USB plugs. All right, but what it doesn't have is a power brick. So to plug it into the wall, you will need your own USB adapter. What I mean by that is something like this, where it plugs into a USB-C port, okay? So that doesn't come with this, that's mine. But I'm sure you guys have a bunch of them like I do. All right, so let's follow directions and give it a shot. Okay, look. Maybe there's two different types of strainers. I don't know. I'll have to read the directions and then we'll try it out. So let's first charge this thing up. Okay, so it looks like this one is for the coffee capsule, if you know, kind of like a mini K-cup, I guess. And this one is for the coffee grinds. So if you want to put in grounds into here, you could use this one. So that's the difference between these two things. And of course, that's the measuring cup for the coffee grounds. Directions wise, seems pretty easy. You just choose the one you want, screw it in, add water, push the button. All right, so I followed the directions to clean things out. So let's give it a shot. So I don't have a coffee pod, so I'm going to use the coffee grounds version, and we're going to put some coffee grinds in there. It says to pat it down. Okay. Pat it down. Put that on. Put this in here. Okay. And then put that in there. And hopefully I don't have anything upside down. Let's pour in some water. We'll bring it to the max. Cap that up. Let's see. 1, 2. All right, I guess that means it's heating up. So let's see if it makes some coffee. So reading the directions, I put in cold water, so this is going to take longer, of course, but you could actually put in hot water already and it's going to do it a lot faster. But I want to try the cold water option. Okay, I got two beeps now, or two blinking lights. I guess you don't even have to hold it like I'm doing. You could just put it down for a while until it heats up. You can see there's some room down there. So once it starts going, I have some time to lift it up if I need to. Okay, got the third blinking light, so we should be close. All right, I could start to hear something. Hopefully the camera is picking up that boiling noise. Fourth button, or fourth light. All right, so that beep probably tells me it's gonna start brewing, and there it is. Bring it closer. Wow, that's pretty cool. All right, I think it's done. Let's see how it. There's a little bit of water left there, so what I want to do is I want to release all that water. So I think if you leave your finger on the button, it'll take out whatever water's left. All right, let's try this. Some espresso, and of course you could add hot water and make yourself Americano coffee. Yeah, that's pretty good. It's pretty darn smooth, and the coffee is hot enough. So I mean, I was a little worried how hot this little thing could get, with just the battery powered, because most of these coffee makers you got to plug into the wall. They're not USB battery, and they're not really fully portable like this one is, but it's not bad at all. Yeah, that's good espresso. All right, pretty cool, pretty portable, but I want to see if I could integrate this into my camper build. So here in my car, this actually fits really well just inside my sink. Put the cover on. That's the way it looks inside my sink. Plenty of room, fits in really nice. Out of the way.